So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add bullet points to a design here in Visme. So once you're into Visme, add some text to your document first. By doing that, you go to the left-hand side of your screen, the top left right here, where there's this T icon where it says text. I want you to go ahead and press on text. Now, add some text to your design automatically. So if you wanted to make maybe like a to-do list, you can say wake up and I'll press return. I will say check phone, turn off alarm, whatever the case may be. We'll just do for this example I guess morning to-do list. So there you go, wake up, check phone, turn off alarm. Now if you wanted to turn this into bullet points, into more of a bullet point format, it's pretty straightforward. Just double tap this to highlight the entire text right here, just like that. Go to this top bar, and where it actually says right here, there's these three icons that says list. I want you to go ahead and press on list. Now what you can do is you can do bullet points, which are right here. You can do a circle, square, decimal, whatever the case may be. If you want to change this into a square bullet point, you can do that. You can change the bullet points to a different color by doing that, whatever the case may be. It's a pretty straightforward process, but that's how you guys can add bullet points to a design here in Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.